Looking for an affordable way to explore the skies and capture stunning footage? Here are the 5 best drones under $200 that won't break the bank, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Loyly X69 Drone. First up is the Loyly X69 drone, priced at just $64.49. What caught my attention was its impressive 2K HD camera that lets you capture breathtaking photos and videos from the sky. If you want solid performance without spending a fortune, this is worth a serious look. Imagine capturing family moments or scenic landscapes with clarity. That's what this drone promises. Plus, with features like one-key takeoff and altitude hold, it's super user-friendly, especially for beginners. You can fly it without worrying about complicated controls, which is a huge relief. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The drone's stable hover and trajectory flight mean you can focus on getting the amazing shots without constantly adjusting the controls. Given that over 10,000 units have sold just this past month, it's clearly a popular choice. Now, some people complained about the drone's stability in high winds. Here's the thing though, while you do need to be mindful of wind conditions, for casual flying and photography, it performs quite well, making it a great starting option. This drone is perfect for anyone looking to get into aerial photography without a hefty investment. But if you're a seasoned pro looking for advanced features, you might want to skip this one. For $64.49, it's a solid value, especially for beginners. Now, if the Loyly's wind stability concerns you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Bayo QSZ Mini Drone. Next up is the Bayo QSZ Mini Drone, priced at an attractive $51.59. What really stood out for me was its 1080p HD camera that can transmit real-time video, making it perfect for capturing life's little moments. If you want something even easier to fly, this is definitely worth checking out. The 1080p camera not only captures clear photos but also allows gesture controls. So if you want to take a selfie, just make a V gesture. How cool is that? Plus, with features like one-key takeoff and gravity control, you don't need to be a drone expert to enjoy flying this. The 2 batteries provide up to 25 minutes of flight time, which means more time in the air and less charging. Here's why this matters for you. The stable hover feature is super beginner-friendly, giving you the chance to get comfortable with flying without worrying about it crashing. And with over 10,000 purchases this month, it's clearly a hit. Now, some users mentioned that the drone can be a little tricky to control at high speeds. Here's the thing though, for beginners, the 3-speed modes allow you to start slow and build up your skills, so it might not be a deal breaker. This is perfect for kids and adults alike who are just starting out in drone flying. But if you're looking for advanced features like extensive range or high-end camera quality, you might want to skip this one. For $51.59, it's a great way to dive into the hobby without spending too much. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for getting those cool action shots. Product number 3, Hiterbo S20 Drone. Coming in at $58.02, we have the Hiterbo S20 Drone. What really grabbed my attention was its voice control feature, which allows for hands-free operation. This makes it a fantastic pick if you want to focus on capturing video instead of controlling the drone. If you're looking for user-friendly options, this is worth a serious look. The 1080p camera can be manually adjusted, so you can get creative with your shots. Imagine using it to inspect hard-to-reach areas or capturing your friends doing tricks. With 2 batteries, you get about 24 minutes of flying time, extending your fun. Plus, it's designed specifically for beginners, which is a big plus if you're just starting out. Here's why this matters for you. The combination of voice control and gesture selfies means you can get those perfect shots without needing to fumble with your remote. And with its growing popularity evidenced by over 10,000 sales this month, it's clearly resonating with new drone pilots. Now, some users did find the app setup a bit complicated. Here's the thing though, once you get through the initial setup, the flying experience is pretty smooth, making it worth the little hassle. This drone is perfect for first-time users who want to capture fun moments with minimal fuss. However, if you prefer a more traditional flying experience, this might not be your best choice. At $58.02, it's still a solid investment for budding drone enthusiasts. Now, if the app complexities are a concern, the next drone on our list is known for its straightforward operation. Product number 4, ASFSFQ Mini Drone. Next on our list is the ASFSFQ Mini Drone, also priced at $51.59. This drone really caught my eye due to its gesture control and trajectory flight functions. If you want to impress friends with cool aerial tricks, this might just be the drone for you. The 1080p HD camera can be adjusted for optimal shooting angles, meaning you can always get the best perspective. With features like one-key takeoff and stable hovering, it's designed for beginners, making it less stressful to learn how to operate. Plus, it packs in up to 25 minutes of flight time with 2 batteries. Here's why this matters for you. The trajectory flight feature allows you to map out a path for the drone to follow. This is incredibly fun and a great way to explore flying without the fear of losing control. With over 5,000 units sold recently, it's gaining traction among new pilots. Now, some users mention that the drone can struggle with wind conditions. But I'll be real with you, for indoor use or calm outdoor days, it performs beautifully, so it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for kids and adults wanting to learn drone flying and have some fun. Skip this one if you need a drone that can handle strong winds. At $51.59, it offers great value for anyone looking to start their drone journey. Finally, if you liked the idea of smart controls, this last drone might be just what you need. Product number 5, Oddire Drone. Last up is the Oddire Drone, priced at $54.17. I was impressed by its multiple functions, including trajectory flight and 3D flips, which make it a fun choice for anyone keen to experiment with flying. If you love a little excitement in your drone flying, this is worth taking a look at. The 1080p HD camera is adjustable, helping you capture stunning visuals from different angles. The optical flow positioning technology gives it a stable hover, making it easier to shoot high-quality videos. With 2 rechargeable batteries, you're looking at about 25-28 minutes of flight time, so you won't be grounded for long. Here's why this matters for you. The various flight modes and easy app connectivity mean you can tailor your flying experience according to your skill level. And with 4,000 units sold recently, it's clear that people are enjoying this model. However, some users pointed out that the app connection can be finicky at times. Here's my take. Once you get it connected, the drone's performance is fantastic, so don't let that deter you. This drone is great for those who want a mix of fun and functionality. But if you're looking for something that's easy to pick up and fly without tech hassle, you might want to skip this one. At $54.17, it offers great value for those looking to add a little thrill to their flying experience. To wrap it all up, we've looked at 5 fantastic drones under $200. The Loyoli X69 is great for beginners who want a solid camera, while the Bayo QSZ Mini Drone is perfect for kids with its easy controls. The Hiterbo S20 offers some innovative features for tech-savvy users, while the ASFSFQ Mini Drone is excellent for playful aerial tricks. Lastly, the Oddire Drone is a fun option for those who like to experiment with different flying modes. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Loyoli X69 because it balances quality and price perfectly for beginners. I recommend avoiding the Hiterbo S20 if you're not comfortable with app setups. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.